Regardless of whether you use a rake or a leaf blower to collect leaves and lawn debris, what do you do once you have it in a pile? How do you easily transport it into a trash can or your composting bin? Well, they do make claws and all kinds of implements for picking up leaves, or you can use a tarp, which I prefer. But I modified this tarp so it's perfect for this job. This is a 4 by 8 foot tarp that I folded in half. Then I stapled some wooden dowels. I rolled it up and stapled wooden dowels on the end. So you just lay it out right in front of your pile and you just rake it right on. And as small as this tarp is, when it's folded, it can hold a surprisingly large amount of leaves and grass clippings, twigs, that kind of thing. All right, that's enough for now. Now this is where those handles come in really handy, is that without them, the tarp is really flippy floppy and all the leaves would fall off. But with the handles, you can pick it right up. In fact, you can do it with one hand, put them together, and then just easily dump them right into the can.